bullshit in my whole essay. Oh my god, I didn't use a single. Okay. I think I got a 4 in X.
Okay. Hey.
What did you sound like? I got a 4 in 3 now. I didn't. Okay. I took this class over the summer and I didn't study for it. I got a 2. Exam, so I either got a 0 or a 5. Alright, and for English, I think I got a 3 because I didn't study.
Actually, okay. Hey. Yo, half your predictions like higher.
Wait, we got. Side. Oh, we get VC side?
Yeah.
What the hell?
3.
3 on VC?
Yeah. Watch him get a 5.
Oh! Wait,
I'll take that.
What's your subscore?
Oh, it's 4. Alright, Lang, what do you... I honestly think this is at least a 4. Yeah.
Oh, wait, size actually cooking. Euro?
I know I passed this. This is at least a 3.
Damn, bro.
Oh yeah, I'll take that.
I feel so dumb.
Size actually a genius.
Alright, this is a 2. No, there's no way. That exam was...
I'll take that.
Seminar? Okay, this is probably a 3.
That's alright.
3. Oh, okay.
Okay. Wait, how was that?
That's hard. Like, as soon as I woke up, he was trying to like ask me for mine. This better be a 4, at least.
Hey! Oh my god, was I cooked? What the hell?
That shit was going on. It was actually killing me. I don't want to go next.
Theo. Bro, I wonder if you're ever gonna get hacked, bro.
Okay, are you ready? What do you think you're gonna get?
4. It's gonna be 4.
Yeah, I think I can, but that shit was hard.
It's gonna be 4.
4!
Hey! That's what you think. Alright. What did you get on CSA?
I got a 5, bro.
You definitely got a 5. Oh!
Okay, it's okay.
Oh, AP like 3.
We feel about like 4.
I got 4 on lane, bro. I got a 4 on lane.
It's consistency, bro.
Are we 4 for 4 right now?
He's
about to wait if he gets him. Let's look at 5.
I'll go for 5 on 8, bro. I got a 5 on 8.
This is a 4. 4 for 4?
Oh, 5.
5, I'm sure.
Okay.
Research?
Okay, I hope I got a 3, bro. Give me a 3. Let's see.
Wait, 8 push, bro. Surely.
5. It's gonna be 5.
I think I got a 5.
5, yeah. Someone clip that.
He got both those, and then he traded them.
Average in the middle, bro.
No, dude, mine are gonna be bad.
Bro, Spencer's in the middle.
Oh, okay.
I'm going live!
I got 4 or 5.
Now you got 5, bro. You're good at writing, bro. Come on.
Hey!
Let's be all 5s.
Alright, I got like at least a 4.5.
I think it's like.
Actually, I got good at physics.
Spencer's 5, bro.
I got 5.
Spencer's a part of the 10%. He's a part of the 10%, bro! What the? Yeah!
We got 5, honestly. Yeah.
Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. Wait, is he
No,
gonna.
wait, no way, go 5 for... Okay, wait.
Seminar?
I actually don't...
This is like a coin flip.
There's
You either
no way
get a
I
nice
got
figure or you like get 5.
I literally like half-assed the thing, right?
Yeah!
Oh!
Okay. You... Okay, English, 5? No way, go 5 by the way.
No way! No way! No way! That's a legendary performance! That's a legendary performance! What the?
Oh, God. Give me a 2, bro.
No, you passed it.
I think it's a 4.
Hey!
You beat her! Bro, you actually beat her! You won the mental game.
Okay, AP Lang 4. That's good.
Yeah, what was the